Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this 2-in-1 handheld and upright vacuum cleaner from Silvercrest. Removable handheld vacuum cleaner, can be used as a handheld or upright vacuum cleaner. Fast, efficient cleaning of carpets and hard floors. LED lights reveal hidden dust and crumbs to ensure thorough cleaning. 2-speed settings when used as an upright vacuum cleaner, high and eco modes. 18 volt, 3 years warranty, no power cord, Leon technology. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it, test it and check the suction power. Included we have the power adapter. You need to charge the vacuum, and it is 22 volt, 0.5 amp, 11 watts power consumption. Here it is the base. That plastic locks here, perfect, and you can charge the vacuum. We can see the two metal contact plates coming in contact with the vacuum here and start charging. And you can connect the power adapter here at the bottom, plug it in, and it can stay just like that. Here we have the accessory compartment, accessories holder, left and right, two-in-one greaves and brass attachment that goes inside here. You can remove or use it with a brass. That is for tight areas. Next we have the main handle, one screw here, the buttons, on-off switch and eco button. You need to attach that here, but first I need to remove the screw, so there is no screwdriver included, but no worries, I have my screwdriver. Nice. Two-in-one technology. Left and right here we have the two release button. Press and release the other vacuum. Another 4 contact metal blades here coming in contact with the vacuum and start charging. So the vacuum has the battery. Inside it has a 18 volt 2200 mAh Leon battery, rated power 90 watts. You can use the vacuum on normal mode about 25 minutes and on eco mode about 35 minutes. Of course I will test it, see if the numbers are correct. I like the shape, the texture here, ventilation, and of course you can install this attachment at the front with or without the brass and use it. Press the button release the container. The container capacity is 400 ml. To charge the battery you need about 6 hours from 0% to 100%. Inside, of course, we have a filter. Just pull that. Plastic, you can wash it. The same in the filter. Silicone rubber around, sealing very well all the dust at the container. And it is very easy to install. Press, it is very tight. We can see the motor, the on-off switch and charge indicator LED. Now charge it before the first use. And again, very easy to lock, unlock. I like it. Nice handle on a black and grey glossy color, matte color in some areas. Now let's move on. Oh, okay. You can't charge directly the small vacuum. The only way is connect that at the larger vacuum and then at the base. Okay, I don't think so that will be a problem. Now let's move on here. It is the handheld vacuum, this area. So we have the rotary brush here, wheels, 2 large wheels, 2 small wheels at the front. You can pull that and release the cover, and then you can remove the brush, wash it, clean it. Obviously inside it has a motor to rotate this brush, and it is very easy to install again. First lock here and then here, and install in this plastic. There it is. Flexible, adjustable, up and down. So it stays just like that. I will show you later. I like it. Locking, release, and with the press of a button, you can see the LED indicator, the lights at the front. Instantly it stopped the rotation. Nice. I like it. And of course the vacuum, there's the base. It stays very nice here. It locks here. Now let's fully charge it and start the test. Plug in. Red LED indicator, that means it's charging. Blue light is fully charged, very easy to remove. let's test first the hand vacuum. I have some stuff at the table. Nice, I like it. Fast and easy cleaning. Let's check the container. Clean. And here as I mentioned, you can wash the container, the filter, the HEPA filter, this plastic. Now let's move on at the next test, testing the handheld vacuum. Now let's try with eco mode first. Too much on the floor maybe? Slithering. Turbo. I think it is too much for the vacuum. In my opinion, I think the amount of stuff on the floor was very acceptable. Maybe the floor is too slippery. Let's try it at the carpet. I will start with the eco mode again. Container is empty. Turbo mode. I need to work in the same spot continuously to have the desired results, and in the end I'm not happy. As I mentioned, the container is 400 ml, the stuff on the floor and carpet was 130 ml. I measured it. In every test I have the container empty. I don't see why it can't clean the floor. The final conclusion: the suction power is not in the level needed to have a clean area. But if you are using the hand vacuum only, it has the power to clean the area. But that is not the reason you are buying this vacuum only for hand vacuuming. So the handheld vacuum is not going to work for me. 60 euros is a waste of money. Find something else you like more. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.